In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion workout and meal planner. We'll start from a ready-made template and get it into your workspace. Then I'll show you where to tweak it so it fits your routines and your meals. First, open the Notion website in your browser. If you already use the desktop app, that works too. The steps are the same. Once Notion loads, look for the marketplace. This is the area where you can browse pre-built pages and systems made by creators. It saves time and gives you a solid structure to begin with. Inside the marketplace, use the search bar and type Workout Planner. You'll see a list of templates designed for tracking exercises, sets, and schedules. Scan through the options and choose the one that best matches your style. Maybe you prefer a weekly calendar, or maybe a database with filters and tags. When you find one you like, click it to open the preview page. From the preview, click Add to bring the template into your workspace. Notion will create a copy so you can edit it freely without affecting the original. After it's added, you'll land on your new planner page. This is where the fun begins. Customize everything so it reflects your actual routine. Rename the page, add your current programs, and update properties like muscle groups, difficulty, rest time, or target reps. Replace any placeholder exercises with the ones you do and add checkboxes or date fields if you like seeing daily progress. As you scroll down the template, look for a section labeled Meal Prep or something similar. Click Meal Prep to open it, and you add your meal planner right there. Keep it simple at first. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, plus a column for calories or macros if you track them. You can include your grocery list, prep notes, and links to favorite recipes. The key is to make it practical. Meal ideas you'll actually cook and ingredients you can find easily. Feel free to explore and refine. You can rearrange sections, hide what you don't use, and duplicate pages for new weeks. If a view feels cluttered, filter it to show only today's workouts or this week's meals. The more you tailor the template, the more it becomes a reliable hub for your fitness life. And that's it. Open Notion, head to the marketplace, search Workout Planner, select a template, add it, then customize and plug in Meal Prep. You're ready to track workouts and plan meals in one streamlined space.